I'm serious, nigga. What y'all think about this? Hey, baby. Hey, baby, get the money over this motherfucker. Study long, study long.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D on Double G. But I somehow, someway, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few wins as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the door. But for what? We don't love the hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this. Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking love, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money
Now
on my
back,
mind.
I got me some Sequins gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listens to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this bitch named Shady. She used to be the homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that bitch, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you get none of these at ease. As I mob with the dog pound filled with breeze, B.I.Ch. I'm just
Rolling down the street, smoking love, sipping on gin and juice.
laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking love, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang of Tango Ray and a fat ass Jake of some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Shit, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tango Ray and chronic, yeah, I'm fucked up now, but it ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. Dre got some bitches from the city of Compton to serve me, not with a cherry on top. Cause when I bust my nut, I'm raising the bottom cock. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love you hoes, I'm out the door, and I'll be
Rolling down